Drone video operation tutorial product list. Charging demonstration. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery and the other end to the power supply. The red light is always on when charging, and it is fully extinguished. Connect one end of the charging cable to the remote control and the other end to the power supply. The red light is always on when charging, and it is fully extinguished. Prepare before flight. Install the fan blade protection frame. Align the fan blade protection frame with the arm buckle. Fasten it. Complete the protection frame installation. Insert the SD card into the remote control card slot. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on the horizontal ground. Long press the switch to turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control and enter the picture transmission screen. The drone is automatically frequency matched when it is turned on, and the light flashes to be normally on. Successful frequency matching for the drone. Press the calibration drone. The light flashes to be always on. The gyroscope is successfully calibrated. Press the one-button takeoff button. The drone takes off with one button, rises, falls, rotates left, rotates right, advances, reverses, flies left, flies right. After the rolling speed roller, switch between low, medium, high 3-speed gears. Press the trick roll button, toggle the rocker in the corresponding direction. The drone realizes trick roll. Presses to turn on the obstacle avoidance mode. The drone realizes automatic obstacle avoidance. Presses to turn on the headless mode. Toggles the rocker in the corresponding direction. At this time, the drone no longer distinguishes the direction of the nose. Realizes headless mode flight. The drone shifts to the right, presses the fine-tuning button, and hits the rod in the opposite direction of the offset. The drone fine-tunes to the left to achieve stable hover. The drone offsets to the left, presses the fine-tuning button, hits the rod in the opposite direction of the offset. The drone fine-tunes to the right to achieve stable hover. Rolls the ESC roller backwards. Realizes the down ESC of the camera. Rolls the ESC roller forward. Realizes the up ESC of the camera. Presses the photo button, realizes the photo. Presses the video button, realizes the video recording. Presses again, ends the video recording. Presses the function key, selects the reverse. Presses the function key again, selects the switch lens. Realize the lens correction, presses the function key, switches the lens, press the confirm button, switch the bottom lens of the drone. Press the function button, switch the lens, realize the lens correction, press the return button. Return to the menu, press the confirm button, enter the photo library, press the switch button, switch to view the captured pictures. Press the switch button, switch the video library. Press the switch button, switch to view the recorded video. Press the confirm button, play the video. Press the return button, return to the menu. Press the switch button, switch to system settings. Press the switch button, switch to view the system settings. Press the return button, return to the picture transmission screen. Press the landing button, and the drone lands with one click. APP download and connection. Scan the QR code on the manual. Download the corresponding system APP. Download and install. Open the Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi name corresponding to the drone. After the connection is successful, open the app. Open the picture transmission screen. Turn the remote control screen to the APP screen. Close the remote control screen. Open the Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi name corresponding to the drone. After the connection is successful, open the APP. Open the picture transmission screen. Replace the fan blade. Remove the fan blade protection frame. Remove the old fan blade. Pay attention to distinguish between the ab arm and the ab fan blade. Install the new fan blade on the corresponding arm. Install the fan blade protection frame and complete the replacement.